Hey guys, I'm James Wren, and today we're gonna be making my award-winning mac and cheese. Oh wait, hold on, let me do it again. I didn't hit record. Hey guys, my name is James, and today we're gonna be making my award-winning mac and cheese. Let's check out the ingredients. We have some dairy-free and gluten-free options. We'll be making a version of that as well. A long time ago, I was living in Jersey City. There was this one year that there was a mac and cheese contest, and I ended up winning an award for the most cheesiest mac and cheese. Growing up as like a first-generation Asian American, my mom did most of the cooking, and one of the things that she always tried to do was also incorporate it in some sort of American classics. One of the items I always remember her always making was mac and cheese, and it was always something that I really loved and I really enjoyed helping her make it. It's one of like the core memories that I have from childhood. So it kind of just makes sense that somehow I ended up winning a mac and cheese contest. All right, so to start, we're gonna make the roux. In this case, we're gonna be using some organic grass-fed butter. We're just gonna mince up about half an onion here. Next, we'll mince our garlic. 2 teaspoons of dry mustard, freshly grated nutmeg, and then you'll just have that sort of great flavor throughout the entire dish. Put about 6 tablespoons of this Thrive Market organic all-purpose flour in. You wanna whisk it all together to make sure that the flour and the butter are incorporated together. Now that we have our roux, we wanna turn this into a bechamel. You just add some warm milk. As you can see, hopefully you can see, it's thickened up. Take a wooden spoon, run your finger, and if it looks like that, you're good to go. What we're gonna start doing is adding our cheeses. So we'll start with everyone's favorite, American cheese. Don't hate on it, I know you love it. So you have your American in for smoothness, you have your cheddar in for classic flavor, and then the Parmesan is really just gonna give that extra little punch. We'll add some salt in, freshly ground black pepper. So even though the cheese sauce might seem too salty to you, once you add in the pasta, it's gonna balance out perfectly. I think it's too salty, so that's perfect. I like to put a little hot sauce in. It's not meant to make it spicy or anything, it just adds a little touch. We're gonna add in our pasta, jovial whole wheat rotini. Just fold it all in. You want the pasta to be very al dente. Once you put it in the oven, the pasta will finish cooking. And from here, we'll pour it into our baking dish. All right, so now we're gonna work on our topping. Some butter, maybe a cup of panko. Once you kind of smell the light toast, you're pretty much there. Smoked, uncured bacon bits that we'll put as the first layer of the topping. Next, we have our shredded mozzarella for that stringy effect. And last, our crunchy panko. And now this is ready for the oven. 400 degrees, you want it in there for about 20 to 30 minutes. As sort of a final touch, we're gonna mince up some herbs, some fresh thyme, get some of that essential oil out. Fresh parsley, try to roll them up, and then we'll just go one time through. Boom. So what we have here is the first mac and cheese we made. We'll sprinkle a little of this fresh thyme, parsley, for good measure and good health. And that's it. So now we're gonna taste it. So good, hits so good. You guys are gonna love this thing. All right, so next up, we're gonna be doing a vegan, dairy-free, gluten-free version of our mac and cheese.